All right, here we go. Let's start.
I'm going first. I want to see the birds to see till they top this chocolate farm.
Yeah, so then I was like, right? And he was like, no way. And I was like, right? And now I can't even go to the dance because I'm stuck here in this silly chocolate bar all day. Don't you think you know that chocolate is so old school?
No.
Oh, what was that?
My stomach hurts. Can you see I'm wasting away? Let me in! I'm starving.
I can't wait to go in either. I'm so excited to see the chocolate farm with the Tonka headset. Do you guys know you can fresh cream marshmallows so that I can come in there right over there? And when you keep ending well up.
Okay, you just wasted 20 seconds of my life.
Lighter than air marshmallow. I want that. Oh, where is he? I want to go in now.
Ah, where is he? Isn't it just like Chili Tonka will keep you waiting all these years, hiding on that farm?
Who are you?
Oh, let me introduce myself. Devlin B. Slugworth. President of Slugworth.
Slugworth.
Yes. I know you. Miss Slugworth, to the time we went into hiding, I had a whole box of slivers a day. A little advice though, a little less slime on those slivers.
Okay, now you are wasting my time. What do you want?
I want to congratulate each of you children because you got a golden ticket. And this is your opportunity to become very rich. Right this moment, Chili Tonka is working on a new super duper candy invention. It's called the everlasting dog stop. All I want you to do is steal one from me. Bring it to me so I can take the rest of it. Otherwise, I'm ruined.
And why should we listen to you?
Well, I'll give you $1 million. I'll make you rich. You can get whatever you want in this world. Video games and vacation and candy to rot your teeth and lots of whoppers and stuff like that. All you have to do is take that opportunity, steal that thing from me. I must go.
Don't listen to him. He's the reason Mr. Tonka closed down the farm in the first place. Slithers used to work for Mr. Tonka, and he tried to steal some of his recipes. Mr. Tonka caught him and fired him. So,
Did he close the factory?
but one day he tried to steal some of Mr. Tonka's creation. Mr. Tonka caught him and fired him. But even after he was fired, he sent in spies to steal some of his creations. So, Mr. Tonka had to close down the farm forever until just a few months ago.
So if he closed it then, why is he opening it now?
See if the world is me and my chocolate. Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my chocolate farm. It's going to be such an exciting week. I have a lot planned. I hope you enjoy it, and I think you will. Now come forward. I need everyone to come closer to the screen, like right here. Come closer. Come forward. Please come forward. Now I need everyone to please show me your golden ticket. Okay. Now before we go on with the tour, I need everyone to sign a contract. Now, inside my chocolate factory, there are rules that you must obey to and follow while we go on this tour. Now please everyone oblige. Thank you. Signing. Very good. I agree. All right. Now let's begin.
Hey, where did he go?
I'm right here. And you must be. And you
if we must rush then. Okay, everyone, ready to begin this tour?